Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this vlog. And right now, nasa La Union kami for a 3-day vacation together with Trina and other friends. So, kakarating lang namin and kakain na muna. So right now, kakain muna kami dito sa ayan, Silong. Mo-order pa si Trina. So nice. Ayan, tapat lang siya ng Tagpuan. So ayan yung Tagpuan. Ano orderin natin?
Pares at saka bagnet.
Okay.
Or sisig.
Ano? 10. Okay, so nandito na kami ngayon sa beach. Tama ba? Beach side? Seashore?
Beachfront.
Beachfront. And hindi naman ganun kadami yung tao, unlike dati. Pero ang lakas ng alon. Pakita natin mamaya kung gaano kalakas yung alon. But yes,
Supporting yung vlog.
parang ganun na nga.
Grabe, dyan tayo last time mo.
Oo. Ayun. Yun mismo. Sobrang calming nung tunog ng dagat ngayon. After quite some time, nakapagdagat din. No? Anong feeling?
Great! Man of you.
Naglibot lang muna kami para alam namin yung pupuntahan namin later. Pero may mga nakita na ako ng pwede kong pagpicturean for long exposure shot. So ilalabas natin later yung EOS R6 with this RF 14 to 35mm. Actually dito yon. So I've got few shots of landscape already, pero later nagtatry pa tayo ng mga ibang photos kasi our good friend from JG Superstore gave us filters. So we will try that. Hindi pala those. Kasi 2 filters sila. We will try those filters later during sunset. And I hope na umabot ako later pagka sinet up natin yung filters na yon. But right now, ang ganda ng reflection, ang ganda ng sky, and ang ganda ng environment right now here at La Union. So I'll show some photos while I'm talking para mas ma-appreciate nyo kung ano yung mga sinasabi ko without any filters pa. So we cannot do some long exposure up until we unbox those products later. So stay tuned in this video, guys. So earlier, na-meet namin si Joyce, which is super coincidence. So hi Sir Ted, I Miss Mike's, and Sir Kabs. So guys, we're on our way home. And sobrang tarik. Ina.
Yes. Look. Southfield.
Grabe. Sakit ng hita ko. Pero hinihingal na ako. Hey guys, as I've said earlier, meron tayong i-unbox from JG Superstore. So, dear Jeff, thank you for supporting local businesses like us. We are happy to provide you products from one of our best-selling brands. We hope this will be helpful to you and we hope that you will like it. So, meron silang pinadala sa atin na 2 items. So, isang CPL filter. Meron din pinadala sila dito sa atin na ND 1000. Hey guys, it's our second day here at La Union.
In La Union, take 2.
And today, tatry natin yung mga filters na in-unbox natin kahapon. Kaya, as you can see, may tripod tayo. camera is here and some... Hello!
Hello, vlog!
Hello!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Walang kape. Ang sad sa Ulaon yun. Maaga nagsasara yung mga kapihan. Inuman lang yung matagal.
Oo nga, kahapon, mga ano yun? 10? 11? Wala nang coffee shop na bukas.
Wala na ng 10.
Oo, so, ayun, umuwi kaming luhaan kasi
No coffee for us.
for that day, no?
Deprived of coffee.
For that day.
Ikaw wala.
Ako wala. Wala akong coffee that day. Pero ngayon, babawi kami. Check namin yung Union Coffee. If mahaba yung pila, balik kami sa Coffee Library. So, that's it. Let's go.
That's it for today. Grabe dito, tingnan niyo yung lugar. Sobrang struggle is real. Hashtag struggle is real.
Ay, may kotse.
Oh my God, mamamatay na ako, guys.
Hindi, wala. Ano pala ako, documentary videographer.
Mabera kita content. So dito, may CrossFit training. Ayan. Tapos, pag pumayat ka na, kasya ka dapat dyan. Iyan yung goal mo, ah.
Payat ba yan?
Oo.
So, eto na ang struggle, no, guys? Samahan niyo ako. Ang first task natin today, mamamalangin tayo with my friends. Mag-hello naman. This is me. Wow. Ex ko to. Kadiri, no? Yak, buling na away ko.
Baka biglang gumuno.
Ayoko na, nakakapagod pa na mag-vlog.
So yan, na-meet nyo na si Kuya Nikkie.
Ang star of the
Meron siyang
star of
isang
the
segment dito sa vlog, no?
Star of the trip.
Hindi ko alam kung kasya ako. Excuse me po. Kasya ako, guys. Kasya.
Namin yung dala, look. Look. Diba? Bag for laptop, tripod, camera. Bag for stopper with him.
Parang bigat na bigat ka dyan.
Hirap naman ito.
So yun, guys. Later, mag-shoot tayo ng mga photos for the filters na pinadala sa atin ng One Gadget Superstore. And once again, thank you One Gadget Superstore for sending those filters. And syempre sa mga viewers, I do promise to be unbiased sa review natin. Sorry. Be unbiased sa review natin later.
Kamsahamnida.
So guys, pag nandito kayo sa shore, marami kayong pwedeng gawin aside from surfing or swimming. So pwede rin kayo mag food trip and strolling. Yep. Grabe yung lalaki ng mga waves dito. Picture perfect din.
I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be alone. I've waited for so long, but what if it goes wrong? And you walk right out that door. I never thought I'd be speaking words like these, but they're hanging on my lips. I can never
So I'm done shooting the CPL sa 50mm, pero may problema ako, hindi ko siya matanggal dun sa lens. Pero sa service center na lang ng Canon, which is sa Taguig ko ipapatanggal yung CPL. Okay siya sa mga slow-mo shots and cinematic yung nakukuha mong footage, especially if nakasilag ka and slow-mo. Yun, depende pa, makikita ko later kung meron siyang effect sa color grading, if may color cast yung filter. Pero malalaman natin later pagka nasa post-processing na tayo. Maganda yung mga shots kahit naka-handheld using the EOS R6 since meron siyang in-body image stabilization. Kahit walang image stabilization yung lens na gamit ko, which is the RF 50mm f1.8 STM. Okay na okay siya if you're traveling and shooting lots of stuff na maliwanag or blown out yung highlights like sa environment natin ngayon. So lilipat na kami ng lugar ngayon. Galing na kami sa Flotsam and Jetsam. Tama ate, no? Flotsam and Jetsam. Nice yung food nila. Yung coffee din. And yung place. Super cozy. So, we really enjoyed staying sa place na yon, especially yung food. Okay naman, given na pricey yung food. Pero justifiable kasi doon sa amount and sa taste na binibigay ng product nila. So definitely a must-try destination for food. How's your experience?
About?
Dahil nabasa ka? Especially ngayon nakita na nila yung footage.
I feel
Refreshed.
kasi nabasa unexpectedly. Well, di
How's
ako
the place?
prepared.
How's the resto? How's the food?
I like the food. Worth the
Right?
penny. Masarap yung food sa Flotsam and Jetsam. Yun na yun. Masarap din yung coffee. Good coffee. Real coffee for the first time in 2 days. Tagal na yun ah.
Oh, kasi di tayo
That
nakapag-coffee.
felt long. Oh. Walang coffee na maayos kahapon. Kanina din. Sucks lang.
Hi Ate May.
Aramina. Hi, Aramina. What?
How's your experience?
Dito yung Kabsat.
Nakaka-
Nakakapagod kalabanin yung alon.
Pati yung sand.
Pati yung sand na pumapasok sa kung saan-saan.
So right now, nasa Kabsat na kami. After Flotsam and Jetsam. Dito ata kami magla-lunch. So, kanina yung mga nakita nyong photos, appetizer lang yan. Sabi nga ni Ate Teres, resto hopping yung ginagawa namin. Hey guys! So, kakatapos ko lang mag-shoot ng photos together with Trina, and I'm so happy with the shots that I've made, and especially together with this ND filter from KNF Concept. So thank you JG Superstore for sending these filters sa atin, especially yung 43mm thread kanina. I got the chance to get some cinematic clips, and yun, sobrang excited na ako i-edit yan sa post, and hopefully makita nyo yung mga clips during this vlog, during this video. So that's all, and I don't know yung gagawin na, ano ba gagawin natin tomorrow na? Pack na lang, no? Tapos kain. So I think I'll end this vlog right here. So thank you La Union, thank you Elyu for this very nice vacation and very nice food from Silong to Flotsam and Jetsam to Coffee Library to Kabsat, which is nasa likod natin. Thank you guys for the experience and fun. Kamusta? Hello?
Annyeong.
So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button, and also we do have our Buy Me a Coffee site link and membership link in our description box below. So that's all for today. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye.